In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. Creating a lookalike audience is a great way to expand your marketing reach by targeting individuals who share similarities with your existing customer base, effectively boosting the chances of getting new leads and conversions. So let's dive in and make this happen in just a few moments. First, head over to Google Ads. If you're unsure where to go, simply open your browser and type in the address ads.google.com. This is the official platform for managing all your Google advertising campaigns. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the sign in button, it's usually in the top right corner. Click it and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to help you reset it right there on the page. After you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your Google Ads home. This is your control center, showing you an overview of all current campaigns and performance stats. To create a lookalike audience, we'll need to navigate to a specific section. On the left sidebar, look for the option called Tools and Settings. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, choose Audiences, Keywords and Content. This step is crucial because it's where we get access to the audience settings necessary to proceed. Next, it's time to deal with our audiences. In the drop-down menu, find the option labeled Audiences and click on it. This will take you to all the audience-related functions within Google Ads. It's a vital area, especially for marketers looking to refine and enhance their targeting approach. Once you are in the Audiences section, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the button that says Add Audience Segments and click on it. This is where we begin the process of creating a lookalike audience. In this interface, Google allows you to either create a list of your existing customers or choose a source audience from your past campaigns. The key here is to opt for a source audience that has performed well in the past. It could be past purchasers or site visitors. After selecting your source audience, Google Ads will automatically start identifying potential new members who share similar behaviors and preferences. It's a great tool for finding people who are likely to have the same interests as your current audience but haven't yet experienced your products or services. Remember, while creating lookalike audiences can significantly extend your reach, it's crucial to continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns. Always test different audiences to see which gives you the best return on investment. And that's it, you've now learned how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. Don't forget to save your changes and check back to see how your new audience is performing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.